Today I'm going to show you how to block money-related notifications in X, formerly Twitter, so you can clean up your inbox and stop receiving alerts you don't want. This is a quick and useful setting if you're tired of getting financial updates, promotional messages, or money-related notification emails from the platform. If this tutorial helps, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation bar. At the bottom of that menu, click More. This will open a list of additional options and settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of your account controls, privacy settings, and notification preferences. Next, click Notifications. On this screen, you will see different ways X manages alerts, including activity, push notifications, and email settings. To continue, click Preferences. This section lets you fine-tune the type of notifications you receive and how they're delivered. Now click Email Notifications. This is the menu that controls which notification emails are sent to your inbox. Once you're in the email notification section, look for money-related notifications. You should see a toggle switch next to it. Simply switch that toggle off to block those notifications. After turning it off, X will stop sending money-related email alerts to your account. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled money-related notifications on X or Twitter. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.